Hey guys, it's Lee here from A&R Lighting. Today we're talking about weatherproof battens. In our range, in the 4-foots, we have 3 different types. We've got 2 of them as a 22 watt. You've got an option of a CCT version, which you have 3 different color temperatures you can select by. Otherwise, we also have a 5K version as well. If you want something a bit brighter, we also have a 37 watt in a CCT where you can switch between your 3 different color temperatures. The lumen output on these is quite good. You get in between 100 and 115 lumens per watt, depending on the version you go for. So in your 37 watt, you're getting 115 lumens per watt, which is giving you over 4,000 lumens coming out of the batten. The great thing about these is they're fully polycarbonate, and they've also got stainless steel clips as well. So the polycarb just means it's much more impact resistant as well, making these battens an IK10. So if there is any vandalism or anything that's going to be impacting these battens, they can take a bit of a knock as well, and they will be fine. The other advantage of those clips as well, they also have a little hole there as well. So if you want to make them vandal proof as well, you can put your own screws in there, and what that's going to do is going to turn that into a vandal proof batten, stop people from opening up and taking out the components and that sort of stuff. Because they are stainless steel clips as well, and it is polycarbonate batten, anywhere near the ocean you'll be fine with this because it's not going to rust or have any of those issues. The componentry on these is excellent, and that's why we offer a 5-year warranty. You've got Samsung chips in there, which is a quality, well-known brand name chip, and also Tridonic drivers as well. So nothing but the best when it comes to components in these battens. Installation on these is very easy. You've got your installation point and you can go through the side if you want. Otherwise, there's knockouts on the back that you can go through, and it also comes inside with all your components. So your service mounting clips and also your weatherproof connectors are in there as well. Some of your screws, so it all comes with that, and your installation instructions as well. 120-degree beam angle, so you've got a nice wide beam angle happening there, and they can also go up to minus 20 degrees. So if you're going to go in anywhere like a cool room, any food storage, those sorts of situations they'll go into, and it goes up to 45 degrees. So if it is in a climate where it's going to be a bit warmer, they'll also suit those applications. This is a great item of ours, very well moving, and it's been with us for a long time, and there's a reason for it. It's a great quality product. That's our weatherproof battens.